cruising in the Bronco, and we thought, hey, it's snowing out, which I will show you guys. You can see, there you can see it's snowing out.
Which is big for Tennessee.
Right, and we got 7 to 8 inches Monday, and it all melted away. Literally, the next day was almost gone. And now we've got another 5 inches or so out here. I seen them. It's got Bronco power, girl. I might take it over to the park real quick and do a twisty.
I thought you didn't want to do a twisty in the park.
Well, when in Rome, you know.
There's probably no fresh snow there because I bet everybody else is doing. Yeah, there's a car already doing donuts.
He's out there doing spinnies, and it is fun to do this in the old 2-wheel drives. But I'm in Ford Auto right now, and man, I gotta turn these seat heaters down a little bit.
Watch this guy.
This guy's kind of idiot.
Yeah.
He's kind of my style guy. I like it. Let's see. Can we do some birds?
There it goes. There it goes. There it is. Unlock me.
The roof is gonna come off.
Oh, dude. No, you're not.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I won't say for how long, but we will drive around with the roof off for a few minutes. We're in the Costco. We're gonna stay with us. Oh, that went down my shirt. Oh, it's so cold. Hey. Woo! I know. I love it. All right. There. It's snow life.
It's officially snowing in the Bronco.
Snow life. No salt life here, bro. I know. It's great. I love this. Enjoy the life. Hey, you know what? This is the ultimate.
Oh, were you going in the Jeep
This
dealership?
is the ultimate troll. You guys we gotta go in here. This is the ultimate troll.
God.
That's right. Jeeps, where you at, bro?
Right there.
Yeah, but their tops are on. What good are those on them? How you gonna have fun and party?
Danny says, I love the Jeep drive-by. LOL. Andrea says, that's awesome.
Oh, we gotta go to the Ford dealership.
Whoa.
Oh, there, car.
Devin A says, so funny.
I challenged somebody in Canada. Where's Johnny? Johnny!
Oh, they got their free. They must have got the truck of Mustangs because that's about all they have. And they have some back.
We're gonna put the top up now, everybody. Hang with us. Is the helmet or what? Oh, wait.
Wait, is your side?
Woo!
Look at all this.
Oh, it's gonna be wet.
Quit hitting it. Let it come down on its own. Jeez.
Oh man. Hey, there's some heat in here. Imagine that.
YouTube Car Spotters
Hi,
guy
Thomas.
says, have a great weekend. Check your P.O. box. I'm sending you something. We will be on the lookout. I just
We'll
checked
go
it
there
the
right
other
now.
day. Oh yeah, let's go to the mailbox.
I don't know that anybody's sent us
I did it
anything.
the other day, but it's worth a shot.
Guys, our P.O. box, by the way, is out in the country.
It's 14 minutes from our house.
Yes. All right, so when you send us mail, here's where it comes to. In a little town in Rockvale, Tennessee.
And I always bring the Bronco.
Yep. All right. There's probably nothing in there.
Probably nothing, because I came the other day. There's nothing. Nope, it's empty. It's naked.
But it was still working.
And Kevin said, "Here come the fisticuffs" when we were talking divorce earlier. We love each other too much.
Whether it be 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, you know the drill. It doesn't matter what you drive. Well, as long as you take your top off in the snow, it matters. This has been your All-Terrain Nation, and Happy New Year. I don't know where to go with this. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.
Bye, guys.